Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Spa Oxidizing Shock. Over time, spa water can look dull, and the chemicals in the water don't work as well as they should. Use Spa Oxidizing Shock as a fast-acting, quick-dissolving, non-chlorinated oxidizing treatment. This chlorine-free product quickly removes contaminants and other build-up in spa water. It will also help to restore dull, cloudy water back to beautiful-looking water. Product benefits. Non-chlorine oxidizer will not increase chlorine levels in spa. Quick dissolving treatment for spas and hot tubs. Destroys contaminants in water. Easy to use. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.